Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. My name is Paul, and as always, you get to work out with me today. Mondays and Thursdays, guys, for 5 years now. Anyway, today we're working on the core. We have 3 different exercises. We're going to be using a heavy dumbbell. I'm using a 30-pound dumbbell for this. The preview of the exercise should be on the screen right now. It's going to be no other preview. Just follow along with me. I'm going to do the best I can to count for you. It's going to be 10 minutes straight through with no breaks. Let's have some fun, and I'll see you guys in about 5 seconds. Alright guys, welcome back. We'll get started in about 15 seconds. We're starting off with some alternating dumbbell swings. You can also use a kettlebell for this workout, but I'm using a dumbbell today, so we're getting started in about 5 seconds or so. 20 swings. Remember, 10 minutes straight through. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. This is it. Try to make it a hinge movement. Don't bend your knees so much, just kind of hinge at your waist. That's 10, I think. Let's go for 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. 1 and 2. Remember, we are going for 10 minutes straight. Now we're going to halos to a squat. Halo. Hold the weight in front of you. Squat down. Halo on the other side. Squat down. We're going for 8. 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 more. 1 and 2. Now some single-legged RDLs. Grab the weight. I'm gonna pitch it down and then go back. Ready? Do the best that you can to hold your balance. 1, 2. Try to initiate everything from the core. All right, here we go. 3, 4, and 5. And I'm just warning you, I might be losing my balance during this workout. This exercise is fairly difficult for me, but I always say my workouts are your workouts. 2, 3, 2 more. 4 and 5. All right, right back to the top for those 20 swings. Ready? Let's go. We're not stopping today. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Halfway there. Keep it up. Come on. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 2 more. 1 and 2. All right, halo squats. Ready? Halo, nice and slow. Don't hit yourself in the head. And squat. And that's 1. And the other side. 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 more. 1, 2, and 3. And RDLs. RDLs are difficult for me. Very hard for me to balance. Ready? And let's go. 1. That knee can be a little bit bent. You don't have to lock it out. 3, 2 more. 1. As I warm up, I go lower and lower on these. And 2. And let's do the other side. 1, 2, 3. 2 more. 1 and 1 more. And 2. Right back to the top. We got 6 minutes left. Let's go for swinging. 1. There we go. 2. 1. 4. 6, 7, 8, 9. Keep it up. 10. Halfway there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 more. Come on. 1, 2. Looking good. 3. Last 1 and 4. And catch the dumbbell. And here we go for our halos. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Halfway. Speaking of being halfway, about halfway down this workout. 5, 6, 7. 1 more. 8. All right. Here we go. Balance, Paul. Balance. Ready? Let's go. And just as I say balance, there was one. A cracking one, but one we counted regardless. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's go on the other side. 1, 2, 3. 2 more. 1 and 2. All right, swing it. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking good. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Halfway there. Keep it up. 1. Less than 4 minutes left in this workout. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. 1 and 2. And here we go. We're gonna bring the weight in front of you. Squat down. Weight in front of you. Squat down. Looking good, feeling better. Let's keep it up. 3, 4, 5. 3 more. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. Here goes the balancing act. All right, here we go. I'm tired, this is more difficult. But I always say my workouts are your workouts. These are my actual workouts every Monday and every Thursday, guys. 4, 5, and we're switching sides. 1, try to control that weight all the way through. 2, 3, 4, 1 more, and 5. All right, 2 minutes left or so. Ready? And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Halfway. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Come on. 17. 3 more. 1, 2, and 3. And the core is starting to burn, at least on this side of the camera. Ready? And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Halfway. 2 more. 1. 1 more. And 2. And squat. And let's balance together. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 more. 1 and 2. And switch sides. Don't fall over. 1. There we go, looking good. Come on. 2, 3, 1 and 2. We have 20 seconds left. Just finish off swinging. Come on, people. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 15 seconds. Just keep it up all the way to the end. Two, 1, and dumbbell down. Well, that kind of built itself. I'm definitely feeling my core. That's a lot of hinging. Guys, thank you for joining me today, Fit After 50. My name is Paul. I put out these workouts for you and for me every Monday and every Thursday for 5 years right now. Hope you guys enjoy your 10 minutes. I'll see you guys during your next workout.